Hi, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to set up Google Ads on Shopify. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. For us to begin with adding Google Apps, you just need to go to your Shopify account and simply go to the left side panel of the screen and click on Apps. From here, what you need to do is scroll down and go to apps and sales channels. And you need to go to Shopify App Store just by clicking this button here. And you'll be redirected to another page for Shopify App Store. This is where you will be able to install applications in order for you to set up Google Ads into your Shopify account. This may take a while here. So when you click on App Store or Shopify App Store, you will be directed into this page here, and you'll be seeing a bunch of applications that you can add into your Shopify account. And you can simply just go to the search bar and search for Google Ads. And there are a lot of third-party applications that support Google Ads, and even one click from Google Ads tracking as well is available here. So for this, you can choose. They may vary since some of these applications require purchase, but they sometimes offer free trial, like Nabu tracking for Google Ads. They offer a 7-day free trial, and after that, they will need you to subscribe to one of their plans. So you just click on Add App and then go to Install Application. And then from there, what you will need to do is to wait for it to load up and sign in with your Google account. And make sure before you do reconnect with your Google Ads here, make sure that you already created your own Google Ads account so that you will not be able to, or you will be able to process your setup smoothly. And then once you will be on this page, you just need to allow access for Google Ads and then wait for it to load. And here, as I mentioned earlier, you need to create your Google Ads account ahead of time before you connecting it to Shopify. So you can go to Google Ads and just set up, and then you will be filling out informations like what is the name of your business and your website, and a lot of informations pertaining to your business so that you will be able to set up your Google Ads and sign up for your Google Ad account as well. And that's basically it. That's how you will be setting up Google Ads on Shopify. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.